Hello, and welcome to another edition of Cliffles the Baking Bear. In baking, we do cookies and pies and cakes, but today we're doing something just a little bit different. We're going to make pancakes from scratch. You're going to start with 1 pound of all-purpose flour, 1 pound of cake flour, 4 ounces of sugar, 4 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to put all of my flours into the bowl. Basically, we're going to put all of our dry ingredients in all at the same time. So that's 1 pound of cake flour, 1 pound of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And then I'm going really old school this time, and we're going to mix that up a little bit. Just kind of get it where it's a little mixed, okay? Just like that. Now we're going to add all of our wet ingredients all at the same time. Our eggs, our 4 cups of milk, and our 8 ounces or half a pound of melted butter. That's all there is to pancake batter. And then we're going to mix. Old school we're mixing. Look at this go. Mix it all up. Now you don't want to over mix pancake batter. You want a few lumps left in it. So we get it all mixed up. Look at that. This is going to make a lot of pancakes for you and all of your little baking bear friends. Yes, we get it all mixed up together. Look at that. That's again 1 pound of all-purpose flour, 1 pound of cake flour, which you can find at any grocery store along with all the other flours. And you're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Ooh, get it all mixed up. There you go. You want a few lumps in pancake batter. You don't want it really, really smooth. And I'm showing you how they used to do it in the old bear days with this little mixer. I could have used modern equipment, but I didn't want to over mix it. So look at that. It's all mixed together. It's not over mixed, and we still have a few lumps in it. And I think we're ready to go. If I keep mixing it, I'm going to over mix it. So everything is mixed in. And that's all there is to pancake batter. Now, over here I have my pan already getting warm. I set it on about medium heat, okay? And I'm going to spray it just a little bit. So, now we're going to take our pancake batter, and you can make big pancakes or little pancakes, and we're going to make just a regular size old pancake. And it doesn't take long. It's cooking already because I had my pan all ready to go. And I'll show you what you look for before you flip that pancake over. So it's cooking. It's starting to bubble. I hope all my little baking bears have been baking. We've done chocolate chip cookies, and we've done sugar cookies, and we're doing pancakes now. And look, I even wore my unicorn shoes for everybody today. Woohoo! We're ready to bake. All right. That's all there is to it. We just mix that up. We don't over mix. A few lumps in the pancake batter is just fine. You saw it took me all of about 2 minutes just to mix it all up. And our pancake is cooking, and it will be just about another minute. Pancakes don't take long. Oh, look, everybody. here's my friend Chaos. Come here, Chaos. Come here. This is my friend Chaos. He likes to bake too, and he's helping us today. How's Chaos doing? Say hi to everybody, Chaos. Say hi. Yeah. Sit down for me. Come here. Come here, Chaos. Come here. Sit down. Oh, give me 5. Give me, oh, thank you, thank you. How about the other one? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, that's my little Chaos. That's Chaos. Oh, now look, it's starting to bubble, and it's getting there. See how it's bubbling like that? Well, we want it to turn a little bit drier before we flip it over. Now we can cheat and kind of check the bottom. Let's see. Okay. There we go. And now it's only going to be about another minute before we take that off. Now, if you have a big pan, you can do 2 or 3 at a time. Chaos, come here, Chaos. We've got pancakes today. He's excited because we have pancakes to make today. Don't you? Oh, come here. Sit down. Sit down, Chaos. There you go. Say hi to everybody. Say hello. Say hello. Give me 5. Give me 5. Come on, give me 5. Hello, everybody. All right. We'll check this other side real quick. Is it almost done? Almost. I kind of press it down a little bit. And now my little baking cubs, all of y'all can make pancakes for the family this weekend. You have the recipe, you know what to do, and you saw it didn't take long. So enjoy. Are we ready? Let's check it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So we have a nice pancake, and that's all there is to making pancakes. Quick, simple, don't buy the box stuff. Do it from scratch. Okay, everybody. See you later. Bye.